Sunny greetings from the almost empty beach called Agion Apostolon. Beautiful sandy beach that has also an interesting cave on one of the sides. Actually on the other one as well. But that one there looks like a very nice cave. And yes, it is 25th of April, Thursday, 6:30 p.m. We are approaching the sunset and we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 in the sea. We have had sun almost throughout the whole day. Now some clouds have hit the sky, but the sun will reappear very soon again. And I'm exploring along the coast of Chania, and this is one interesting beach to consider if you're staying close to Chania. This one is located just 4 kilometers away from Chania and 4 kilometers away from Aegean Marina where I'm staying. And yes, it looks quite nice, and I'm looking forward then for a swim in the sea, which I'm not sure if it's going to be the last one for today or not, depending on how the sun will be and how the wind is going to play out. But it was super windy throughout the whole day. Now it is not so much windy anymore, but yeah, good. This is day 6 of my beach adventures in Chania, so I have 2 days left here in paradise before I head back to my home in Stockholm, Sweden. So yes, let's then take a swim together in the beautiful Cretan Sea, this one. Yep, this is how the beaches in Crete will look like in April, which is not good replication of how it will be in summer, because this will be full house here, I suspect. As I remember, as I was in Crete when I was young, long time ago, 2003 was it or something, and then I was on a holiday with my family, and it was like high summer, July, August. It was so many people, like you couldn't put a towel on the beach because it was sunbeds, everything, and even the public beaches that were like for all, it was like fully crowded. So yeah, and that was 20 years ago. So now there are more people on the planet, so it would have been even more crowded. So I prefer to go on short vacations out of season myself, whenever possible, of course. And yes, April is a good month, and also October is also another good month, or September, depending on where you're going to. But yes, sun is up and we are ready for a swim in the sea. Let's go! Brilliant. It's amazing. Cool. Very nice. Alright, that's a wrap from Paralia Agion Apostolon, the Saint Apostles Beach or something in translation, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, wonderful 25th of April here in Crete and Chania coast. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.